Hello everyone, welcome back to our Yatri Cloud. This is Yatharth Johar, 4x GitHub certified. So, I am here to start the GitHub Foundation certification playlist in which we are going to cover all 7 domains which you can see here. So, the first one is the introduction to Git and GitHub, in which we are going to start with the first topic, version control. So, before going to start, who are going to become GitHub certified and who are going to follow this playlist from the scratch, just type hashtag Yatri Cloud in the comment box and press the bell icon to get the latest video notification. Yes? So yeah, get start. So first one, version control. So back to our portal. So before going to definition, let's say one example. Suppose I'm working with one application called Yatri Dev, in which I'm working with my team. So I can track each and every changes of the files and folders. And I am also see the conflict. Is there any occur or not? And the third one is that if something happen, if something going wrong, at the time I going to back my earlier version. Let's say I am working with a version 1.0 and I update the version with 1.1. So, but 1.1 is not a stable version. I found some bugs and I back to the revert to 1.0. Now this is the possible with the version control. I hope you got the point. What is the meaning of the version control? So this is the basic definition in which you are going to track the changes. You can revisit, you can collaborate with teams, and you can revert the changes again. Okay. So now second one is the importance of the version control. I already told track changes. Second one, collaborate with your teams. The multiple people are working with the same code without any conflict. And third one, recovery. If something is going wrong and at the time we want to back to our original code, so yeah, you can recover this code. Fine. So now let's talk about the types of version control. So here mainly 3 types of version control. The first one, local. The second one, centralized. And third one, distributed version control. Yes. So let's get started with the types of version control. So before going to start, again, subscribe now to Yatri Cloud and stay tuned with our latest upcoming videos on we are going to cover distributed version control. So currently, what is the local version control? In which we are going to working in our PC or laptop, in which you can only work on, but not multiple people are working on your laptop. Am I right? Yes. So this is the cons in which you can't ignore it. So you need to solve this problem. At that time, we have a centralized version control. Right? Now at a centralized, you can store all the versions of files on any single centralized server. Now, suppose here any single point is going to failure. That whole server is going to the fail. Now this is main cons of the centralized version control. But the plus point is that here is we can manage and access easily as compared to the local. Right? So you can see the example SVA and the CVS. We are going to cover in upcoming videos, but currently keep in your mind that what is the local and what is the centralized version control. Fine. So yeah, this is a basic overview about the version control. And third one, distributed version control, in which you can distribute your files and folders among with multiple people. How? You have a multiple copies of the repository in your system with history, with the track changes, and with the workflows. Okay, the GitHub action workflow. So yeah, here you can see the pros. And talking about the cons, here is the 2 main cons. The first one is the storage, and second one is the synchronization. It might be a complex. It's not an easy to synchronize each and everything. Okay. So yeah, this is the version control which currently you get it. Or is there any more information which you want? Just ping me on the LinkedIn. We are going to cover each and everything. But let's talk about the practical. We are going to cover in our next video with the hands-on experience on a version control. So stay tuned and see you soon in the next video. And subscribe now to Yatri Cloud and hit the bell icon and to stay tuned with our Yatri Dev and Yatri vlog, which I mentioned in the description. Go to the links and let's start with the certified GitHub. Okay, so see you soon. Bye bye.